I've lost 23 pounds on Jenny Craig, and this was my aha moment. Well, I've been together with my husband for 14 years, and over the course of the past 14 years, I graduated from college, I started a job, we got a dog, I had 2 kids. I gained 40 pounds. I have a picture of my family, my newborn shoot with my son, and my husband and the 2 boys, they look like a picturesque picture, and I look like a blob. Fast forward, 10 months later, we took our pictures again, and I look exactly the same. Sorry, I'm gonna get really choked up, like, putting yourself first is like what everyone needs to learn. When I stepped into Jenny, I stepped in on my 34th birthday and was like, this is my year. I am going to make a change. Now I feel great about myself.
Just got dealt with spin, and my 4-year-old is getting breakfast as well. Say good morning. Hello, Mom.
It's not just what I've lost. The whole thing is what I've gained. It's the confidence, and it's all because of Jenny.